Hey folks, Arizona guy here. I wanted to make this video earlier, but it was just too damn hot. And now in Phoenix, Arizona, it is only 104 degrees. But I'm sort of a gadget guy, and I have a swimming pool. So if any of you other people out there watching have a swimming pool and want an easy way to get out the small debris like palm tree seeds or shreds of palm fronds, this is the thing to do it. This is a rechargeable, cordless, submersible pool vacuum cleaner. It's made by Project Source. I'll leave a link for it in the description. I got it at Lowe's online. They're about $130. This thing will run between 30 and 50 minutes on a single charge, and it is excellent getting out the palm tree seeds. We have 2 large palm trees, and during the summer they go into seed, and when the wind blows we get literally tons of palm tree seeds in our pool, and they are a real pain in the ass because if you leave them in there too long they will stain your pool. It is not pretty. So I try to get ours out as much as possible, but this little gadget right here will keep you from having to hook up the large manual pool vacuum that runs off your suction for your pool. So you don't have to turn your pool on, you don't have to hook up a suction hose, you don't have to hook up your manual vacuum to a pole and take time that way to clean your pool. This little thing right here will pick up this palm tree seeds and other small debris. It will not pick up large items like stones or whatever else you get in your pool, but for small debris this is an awesome little tool, and I will show you how it runs. It's got a little switch right here on the side, but you don't want to turn it on until this pool head is submerged in the water. This thing should always be running. You should turn it on in the water and turn it off in the water, because you don't want this motor part to, dry out. They say to always turn it on and off in the water, and that will make it last much longer. And then it has a little cup right here. You open it up, take this off. There's a little screen in here, catches the debris, and you can just rinse this out and put it back in. This has a little peg on the bottom of it. Just line it up and clip it back on there. And just when you think that it's not picking up as much as it should, turn it off, take it out, clean the little screen, flush out your little cup, put it back together, and you can start again. So we'll see. I'll show you how this thing might work for you. Alright folks, hang tight. So I don't know if you can see it, but there's some palm tree seeds right there laying on the bottom of the pool. So we are going to go down there and try to get those. Okay, let's see what kind of stuff we picked up. Alright folks, let's see what kind of stuff we got in here. We got some gravel and some palm tree seeds. So it works pretty good. Well, so folks, I give it a pretty good review. It picks up fine particles and everything is pretty good. So if you're a pool owner and you want to get out small debris, a rechargeable vacuum is the way to go. Arizona Guy out.